Bueno, hola gente de YouTube, soy el perro alien y hoy os vamos a hablar de cómo hablar en público en inglés. Vamos a speaking in public. There are four advice to speak in public. First, keep the slide simple. When you start with a presentation, the fact that you put too many information in the presentation, it's bored. So treat the be less than two or three paragraphs. Two, use a pictures or videos. It's the entertainment is look all the time some, so if you see words board. Three, include your name and your contact information. So basically is when you finish your presentation, it's necessary if, if the people shows interest, uh, you have to put your contact. And four, put your social networks. Ya, eso es todo. Chao.